Guys, I just got a call from Santa, and I'm not even joking. It's going to be a great few days, weeks, or even months. So let's talk about it. I'm really excited. This really does look great on the daily Frex repeat. Amazingly bullish looks amazingly optimistic, not just for Frex or people. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and every other coin out there are all pretty much right because they are all linked by liquidity. Guys, Bitcoin is about to pump and light up all of these plots. It looks like a Christmas tree, and it looks like we're about to pump in big green candles. Last but not least, I want to add to the proof because, as the saying goes, the proof is in the cake. Just look at the stock market. I'm seeing positive divergences on all of these assets, all of them. Guys, from this point to this point, momentum is going down, but price isn't on the daily chart. Take a look at this. It's holy. I only need to hold on to the silver one. On the 3, 4, or 5 day, guys, but I think even on the weekly, that version says they're all bullish on the Dow Jones and all of these cryptocurrencies as well. So I think things are looking really good again. Right? It is coming. That's why I'm so happy, guys. It looks like we can see into the future, right? It looks like XRP is about to make its huge jump, maybe even to 2 digits soon. It's beautiful right now because the volatility measure, or VIX, went up and is now going back down. What does this mean? Guys, it's not good when volatility goes up like this, okay? It's not that great because markets usually go through rough times like this, right? But it's going back down, which means that money is probably going to go back to stocks and cryptocurrencies. That's great news, guys. We need this to keep going down, and it looks like it will. Check this out. Whales are buying XRP over retail right now. Slingshot, take a look at that more and more. The whales are buying huge amounts. How do they know? Because they can see that we're about to make new ultimatums, right? Really, in the cryptocurrency Cyprus, XRP will soon go through $3.33. Yes, take a look. So this is just a bullish stabilization in a market that is going up, right? It looks like we're going to pump, guys. All I did was look at the charts again, I promise. If you look at the daily, there have been so many. That's the thing, the money keeps coming in. Guys, right? The money keeps coming in for both Bitcoin and XRP. The crazy thing is that price hasn't even gone up yet. Guys, price will follow soon enough. But this isn't financial advice from above. Have a wonderful holiday. Neighborhood for extra pay, we're still on track. $2.75 is a key level to break for a daily close. Soon after, $5 plus will be the goal. Guys, there are a few important numbers to keep an eye on. The good news is that we're still above this upper band. To be clear, you can see that we're holding this bull fly, and the goal is very close to 2 digits. I believe it looks like it's going to happen. These shapes show what will happen to XRP if it has a huge January like it did in November. Could we get $12 by January 20th? Wow, that's what I thought, guys. Something strange and strong tells me that we will. The reason for this is that not only David Schwartz did say that we're going to skip ahead and look at the charts, though, so take his word for it. XRP does what it's supposed to do. It goes up, stays up, goes up, stays up, stays up, stays up, moves up, straight up, right? This building is still standing, yes, and you can see a curve if it comes back. I'm on, and I really believe we will finish, right? Is it just me, or do you feel the same way? XRP had another key. One more week above the high point of the bull market in 2021, so cool. Check out how this chart is put together. There's no damage. This is very bullish because the previous barrier, which was around $1.96 on the 2021 XRP chart, turned into what's support. It's already turned into help. Now the pattern is made up of it pumps later. After that, it pumps. Now we're at a point where it should pump, right? It's clear what's going on because money is pouring in. That is all I have to say. Extra Ethereum Pay hasn't made its big move yet. It needs to go 4 times further than Ethereum. Also, we all know that Ethereum will reach around $10,000, right? What is that then? Guys, that's going to be stinky, right? Okay then, it's still possible, right? It's not impossible for XRP to reach $20. Maybe in January? I'm not sure. But XRP's power chart shows that things are about to get interesting again. Again, just looking at, and if we look at XRP's pairing with Bitcoin as well, it's very strong every day, and the money keeps coming in. It's because they're trying to keep other people from not trying to, because they're trying to keep XRP up, right? There are a lot of buyers, but they couldn't get the price of XRP to all-time lows. Why? Because of all the money coming in, right? Fight that guy. So it looks like in the next few days to weeks, it's going to be a really lovely time. From Chad tonight, we are at the start of a brand new world. Even though you can't see it yet, it's there and ready for you. The Trump's proved it with quotes from Eric Trump, so it must be true. I think that Bitcoins are the way of the future, and quotes banks don't work hard for everyone. They're lazy. Do you agree? It looks like the Trumps agree with the idea. Guys, we're going to this new world, right? In order for things to work, prices will have to keep going up. Blockchain technology is real to me. Cryptocurrencies are what I think the future will be like. It's PM 5 days a week? It doesn't make sense. You can sell cryptocurrency at 12 p.m. On a Saturday in the middle of the night, you can trade cryptocurrencies while your wife and you eat dinner on the couch. The banks are not working hard. Not everyone can use them. Those people are left behind. They cost a lot. They're not in the mood. Inclusion is not at all what they do, and I believe that the way banks work today is changing really quickly. I believe this is one reason why BlackRock, Fidelity, Schwab, and pretty much every other bank is investing so much money in new cryptocurrencies. It's the way of the future. Why do I have to look all over Abu Dhabi for an ATM when I just need to get $100? When you go to get cash, the exchange rate and ATM fees make you lose 30% of the value of the money? Instead, you can send a link right from your wallet. You can do it in 2 seconds and not have any of those problems or structure issues. That's why I have no doubt. Time's 100% right. Blockchain, nothing that can be done in banks that can't be done more quickly and easily with blockchain. Blockchain is changing the world, whether people like it or not, and a lot of people see it that way. Many people, including those at this conference, don't see it. Those who don't believe in it will be left behind, so I believe in it, and so does my family. My dad wants the United States to be the crypto capital of the world, and I'm happy to support it today. Look at that. XRP will be at the forefront of this new era, which will have to have an effect on its price as well, which is to go up, right? Guys, we haven't seen anything yet. It's still early, right? At some point, though, it will be too late. But again, that's the great thing. The game is over because BI's Finastra, Ripple, and Swissroute are working together to connect financial institutions to payment gateways that are known around the world and to settle transactions using XRP. Customers will be stored on Ripple's cloud solution, which will make it much faster to connect to other networks and make upgrades happen more quickly. They will also be able to use on-demand liquidity, which uses the cryptocurrency XRP to make payments between providers. IBIS works with Finastra's financial messaging and markets all over the Caribbean and Latin America as an affiliate Finastra payments partner. Now, our special deal comes with Ripple connectivity. Now that you have various cross-border payment options and Ripple in your pocket, there are no more limits to what you can do with your money. You guys can expect things to change, and they are. Yes, in order to use blockchain technology, central banks are looking to financial technology startups like Ripple. Check this out. As was said at the beginning of the chapter, central banks and global retail banks are very interested in blockchain technology. Today, a lot of these banks use blockchain technology with the help of financial technology companies like Ripple. Guys, it's official. The system is changing right now. To the point. The only thing that's missing is the price. It won't be very high yet, but it will be. Due to the fact that Ripple is the internet of value. Founder, Vitalik and Buterin are the ones who said this. That's what Ethereum really is. Some people say that Bitcoin 2.0 is like the internet of value. We are not the net of value. It's called the internet of value. We're a random processor for money in the C transition. That right? It's like the internet of money. Things will change for sure if you don't say the right things. Senator Ted Cruz says we're going to let crypto go. They will, of course. People say that America is falling behind. But that's no longer true. It looks like they're going to start. Guys, the wheels are turning and they're about to press the speed button. I'll tell you what, we're also going to let crypto loose. I'm proud to support crypto and Bitcoin, and I'm the only senator in the US who mines Bitcoins. Right now, I have 3 miners working in West Texas, and it's beautiful. I want to invite everyone who owns crypto